Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jack up Honda CRV. Place wheel chocks, engage parking brake, and shift to park or first gear immediately. Confirm a flat, stable surface and remove loose items from the trunk or under the car. Find the manufacturer jack points using the manual and clean rust or debris away for solid contact. Keep a flashlight handy and wear gloves for grip and protection while you prepare to lift. To lift your Honda CRV, safely choose a reliable hydraulic floor jack with a load rating above your vehicle weight and confirm saddle reach. Inspect the jack for fluid leaks, smooth movement, and a solid handle before use. Keep a set of quality jack stands rated for the load and never rely on the jack alone to support the vehicle. Practice positioning and pump the jack slowly while watching the contact area for slippage or shifting. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for waiting during repairs and keeps manuals handy without paper clutter. I use it to review procedures between steps, and it's light enough to carry to the driveway. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by aligning the jack saddle with the manufacturer jacking point and make small lifts to confirm secure contact before raising fully. Lift the Honda CRV just enough to fit jack stands and place those stands under solid frame points or designated support areas. Lower the vehicle gently onto the stands and give the car a firm push to verify stability. Work cautiously, wear eye protection, and keep tools organized so you can finish tasks quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.